Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Rig Fit coming at you with yet another video. You already know where I am, so you already know what time it is. It's time for another meal prep. Let's go. This is what's gonna be on the menu for the following week. We got lemon pepper chicken, of course. Got some broccoli coated in some olive oil. I got the seasonings right here, if it'll focus. Come on, focus. Well, we got the garlic romano seasoning. We got the zesty alamo. Of course, we got the lemon pepper, and we got the extra virgin olive oil. I put the olive oil on the chicken. And I also put it on the broccoli, you know what I'm saying, so it could coat everything, you know, got a little salt, you know what I'm saying, on there for the flavor. You know, broccoli is hard to take to the salt, you know what I'm saying. We're going to air fry this chuck roast. That's right, we're going to air fry it. Got the zesty alamo seasoning on this. And if you notice, I put some pepper on there. Under heat, pepper scorches. That's how you're going to get that nice crust. So let's get it. And we're going to throw that chicken in here. There we go, put it on the rack, make some room. And we're gonna come back to that. Probably check it in about an hour. But yeah, and you already know, got the jasmine rice. It's about ready to go. So we're gonna make sure that that's gonna be nice and flavorful. All right. Got my air fryer set to 385, and we gonna have that cooked for 25 minutes. I tell you what, whoever invented the air fryer, man, that's a brilliant individual, because this junk is definitely a time saver, because I gotta go to work in the morning. So we gonna let her cook. And there you have it. Meal prep is officially done. Ain't it beautiful? Got your chuck roast right there. Lemon pepper chicken. Quick, easy, delicious, and effective. Another meal prep in the books. Hey look, if y'all want to see more content like this, do me a favor. Click the subscribe icon and the bell notification, and I'll bring it to you on the regular. Do meal prep every week, and I also have some workout videos coming soon. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all night, and I'm out. I gotta go to work in the morning. Y'all have a good one. Peace.